Alright, so I analyzed every Pure 3 Maths paper from 2020 to 2023. So that's 28 papers, each with around 11 questions. So that gives us a grand tally of about 308 questions. In doing so, I came across some pretty interesting trends that I can't wait to share with you. In this video, I'll be delving into these trends and showing you how you can use them to your advantage to secure that A-star in Pure 3 Maths. Stick with me till the end because I promise you there's some interesting discoveries you won't want to miss. And here's a hint, the most valuable topic might just catch you off guard, but I won't spoil it here. You have to stay tuned to find out. So hit that subscribe button and let's get it. Before diving into today's video, I want to thank each and every one of you for helping us reach the incredible milestone of 500 subscribers. Your unwavering support and enthusiasm have made this all happen. As a token of appreciation and celebration, I am thrilled to announce the launch of our highly anticipated Urstar crash course. This is an extension of how to change your URE and A-star in 30 days video. The course is for Pure 1, Stats 1 and Pure 3, covering the most common exam questions that consistently appear across past papers. Mastering these questions will help you achieve your dream results. And here's the best part, as a valued viewer, you have exclusive access to a limited time offer. By using the discount code integration is not the MVT, within the next 7 days, you can secure the course at an incredible 60% off, bringing the total cost down to just $30. But hurry! Once the offer expires, the price goes back to $75. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an unfair advantage in preparation for your exam. Now let's dive back into the video. If you haven't watched the breakdowns on how to get an A-star for Pure 1 and Stats 1, watch those first before watching this one. But anyways, I guarantee that most of you think that the most valuable topic in Pure 3 is without a doubt integration. Well, it's not. I mean, I also thought that integration was the most valuable topic until I started crunching the numbers, and I have to say the results are pretty shocking. In 2020, the topic that carried the most marks was complex numbers with 10.3 marks per paper, and you can see that integration is not even close. It only has a shocking 8.3 marks per paper. It doesn't make sense, right? If you go on to 2021, the MVT is now differentiation with 10.4 marks and complex numbers has fallen to second with 10 marks per paper. But integration is nowhere to be seen. Random topics seem to be taking MVT each year. It looks like there's no pattern at all, like there's no MVT in Pure 3. Except there is. In 2022, algebra takes over with a whopping 11.3 marks per paper, and the rest of the topics are behind by at least a full 2 marks. And it seems algebra enjoy the glory of MVT, because in 2023, it repeated this feat in a more emphatic style with an unprecedented 12.3 marks per paper. But is this enough to give it the coveted title of MVT over the 4 years from 2020 to 2023? Let's see. Counting up from the bottom, the least valuable topic is, surprise surprise, logarithmic and exponential functions. It's a foundational topic, so you rarely see it being tested in isolation. Usually it's a concept you have to apply to simplify your answers, for example when you're integrating, hence the low marks. In 8th place, we have numerical solution of equations. It only has 1 question per paper. In 7th, we have trig, also has 1 question per paper. In 6th, we have differential equations and it also has 1 question per paper. In 5th place, however, we have integration. Shocking, right? Well, it actually makes sense, but let's finish with the MVT awards and then I'll explain. In 4th, we have vectors, fair enough, though it has only 1 question per paper. It's a high order topic, so that 1 question is usually quite complex and carries a lot of marks. Now we're getting to the medal positions. In 3rd place with 10 marks and receiving the bronze medal for the MVT awards is, drumroll please, differentiation. It usually has the find the stationary point question, which ranges from 4 to 6 marks, and then either an implicit function or parametric equations, which then boost the marks to about 10 per paper. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. In 2nd place with 10.1 marks per paper and receiving the silver medal for the MVT awards, drumroll please. Well, actually that would give away number 1, so let's announce the stats for number 1 first. So number 1 has 10.5 marks per paper, so that's a difference of 0.4 marks between the top 2. But who's the MVT? In 2nd place and receiving the silver medal for the MVT awards is, drumroll please, complex numbers. And therefore the gold medalist and our MVT for Pure 3 Mathematics is algebra. No, that can't be right. It's literally the first topic, the building blocks of Pure 3. How can it also carry the most marks? Simple. Algebra actually consists of 5 subtopics, that's the modulus function, polynomial division, the remainder and factor theorem, binomial expansion, and finally partial fractions. So when you look at it this way, it's obvious why it's the standout topic and why it's the MVT. And before you start yelling at me, I know. Differential equations are an application of integration, so this is technically supposed to be considered as one topic. And I agree with you. When you combine these two topics, it's not even close. Integration is the standout MVT of Pure 3 maths, but for us neutrals, algebra is the MVT. And if you're writing exams, then without a doubt, integration is the most important and most valuable topic in Pure 3 maths. Okay, so what should you do with all this data? Obviously, you now know which areas to focus on, you now know which topics contribute the most marks, so give more attention to those. And how will you do this? You can do this by using topical past paper questions. So just like I analyzed all the papers from 2020 to 2023, I also solved all the questions from 2020 to 2023. And I split them into their topical questions. Each topic has 3 worksheets, one of which has a difficulty of easy, medium, or hard. These also contain detailed model solutions with well-illustrated diagrams to help you understand how to solve each question. You can get access to these topical questions by simply visiting our website gcealevelmaths9709.com and going to the topical questions tab, sign up for free, and you'll be able to access them there. Attempt the questions by yourself. If you get lost, simply go to the answers section where you get detailed solutions with well-illustrated diagrams. Now, you notice that the medium and hard worksheets do not have the full solutions. You can get the full detailed solutions for only $10 for all the Pure 3 worksheets. The reason we're doing this is because currently we do not have any financial backing, so we need your assistance to help us to continue to scale and grow sustainably and eventually destroy Cambridge, all while still providing you guys with quality, valuable content to help you ace your A-level exams and get your dream results. So go support the channel and the website by purchasing the worksheets. And if you need more assistance, you can also purchase the U to A style crash course for Pure 1, Stats 1, and Pure 3 for only $30. And remember, this offer only lasts for the next 7 days. So get it now before it will cost you an extra $45. This is a small investment into your education. But anyways, exams are almost here. The ball is still in your court. Play ball.